So when I do blow dry, people ask me what all things I always keep in mind. There are 6 most important tips you need to remember when you do beautiful glamorous blow dry. The first one, a blow dry should be done on damp hair. Nice towel dry, damp hair. Choose right or correct styling products. This will really help you to have either volume or you want to have nice sleek or beautiful waves for your blow dry final finishing. The third one, you need to really understand the sectioning because sections will help you how you want to direct the hair. Whenever you do blow dry, always keep hair dryer minimum 1 inch away from the hair because this will help you keep a beautiful shine and good health of the hair. And the fifth one, choose the right brushes because brushes will play a bigger role where you want to have a nice volume or you want to have sleek look. Smaller the brush, bigger volume, bigger the brush, lesser volume. And the sixth, the last one, the direction of the hair. Whenever you're going to use the correct brushes, how are you going to give the direction to the hair, whether you want hair to be towards the front or you want to push back and have nice volume or a sleek look. According to that, you think and plan the direction of the hair which will give you overall beautiful glamorous blow dry.